Hey guys, welcome to Steamworks, and I'm Carl with the K, and it's good to have you guys back again with us. So I wanted to show you guys a couple of cool things that we're going to be doing at the end of our summer season. We have Water Week going on, and we're going to be having really cool camps like Survivor Afloat, where they'll be learning about different survival techniques on the water. We're also going to be doing Metropolis underwater, or Atlantis, and then the one we're looking at today is AMT Pirates, and I'm really excited about that because we're going to be using all of our advanced manufacturing and technology equipment to be able to make pirate gear. So we're going to be making maps, making coins, and all that cool stuff. We're going to be making a map today, and I wanted to show you some finishing work on some 3D printed coins. We're really excited, so let's get to it. I've already worked on the map, and so what we're going to be doing is, this is our laser cutter. It is a Epilogue Laser Helix. It's a 50-watt laser cutter, and it has a 24 by 18 inch bed. So we're able to get a lot of things done, but we don't need that much space for our map. And I actually have a really cool surprise at the end because I made some neat edits. So all we have to do right now is hit go, and the file that I made was on Inkscape, so this works very similar to a printer in the sense you send the file and the machine gets the file and it reads it and it says, okay, I know what to do with that file. So we're gonna just hit go and check it out. We also have over here a Prusa SL1 resin printer. We just got it in, we're super excited about it, and we're actually able to make 2 pirate coins with it, and they actually have really cool detail. That's the benefit of using a resin printer as to a regular 3D printer. And so each of the kids are going to get to make and design their own pirate coin, and so that's what we're going to be doing. Now I also have some metallic paints because like these orange coins, though they look cool, they're going to look even better if we give them a like really cool gold coating. So and the cool thing about the resin printer is it's almost, you can use it without using we're able to spray paint it on without using primer too much, but it'll actually look even better if you use primer. So we're gonna get down here, okay? And just like that, we have some pretty nice looking gold coins. Like, look at those things. And we're each so each of the kids are gonna get to make one of those, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. I'll get a little bit of gold paint on me, but that's okay. And you can just see that we can even spray the back once we're done, and it'll have a nice little coin, all that sort of stuff. And and so we're going to be doing we're also going to be creating things with our CNC machine to add to the flavor, and all of that. Yeah. All right, so it is done. Hope you guys enjoyed that. So this is our map. Now this may look like a bit of a strange map, because like what map has holes in it? But I actually want to share a cool little thing with you. So if you come with me, we can show off something really cool with it, okay? I'll see you in a second. Like I said, this has a little bit of a secret to it. So, as you can see, we got our skull and crossbones, our compass rose, all that fun stuff. But if you take a regular phone flashlight and we're gonna turn the light off, and we can actually do something real neat. Yeah, so we designed this to make a projection map onto walls. And you can use you can use any light source. The stronger the light, the better the projection. And you know, like the skull and crossbones, it takes on a slightly nicer look after you're done with it. But the kids are going to get to design something where they can make their own projection map and all of those cool things. And we're super excited to see all that they are going to come up with. And we hope you guys come out and join us to share your creativity in everything that you're making and creating. And I hope you guys are staying safe, and we'll see you later. All right, bye guys.